Hey there, Wealth Wisdom 101 family. Today, we're going to explore the world of Fiverr and discover some low-competition gigs that can help you make money online in 2023. We'll also share some tips on how to get work on Fiverr and boost your earnings. Plus, we'll discuss AI technology that can assist you in each section. So, let's dive in. Rocket. Part 1. Low competition gigs on Fiverr. One. Voiceover services. With the rise of podcasts and audiobooks, voiceover services are in high demand. Offer your unique voice and style to help clients bring their projects to life. You can specialize in different accents, languages, or even character voices to stand out from the competition. AI assistance. Use AI-powered voice generators like Descript or Well Said Labs to create realistic voiceovers, saving time and effort. 2. Virtual reality development. As VR technology becomes more accessible, businesses are looking for developers to create immersive experiences. If you have the skills, this is a great opportunity to stand out. You can offer services like VR game development, educational experiences, or even virtual tours for real estate. AI assistance. Utilize AI-driven tools like Unity's ML agents to create intelligent and adaptive virtual environments, enhancing user experiences. 3. Eco-friendly product design. With the growing awareness of environmental issues, many companies are looking for designers who can create sustainable products. Showcase your expertise in this niche and help clients go green. Offer services like eco-friendly packaging design, sustainable fashion, or even green architecture. AI assistance. Leverage AI-powered design tools like Autodesk's Dreamcatcher to optimize designs for sustainability and efficiency. Part 2. How to get work on Fiverr. One. Optimize your profile. Make sure your profile is complete, professional, and highlights your skills. Use a high-quality profile picture and write a compelling bio that showcases your expertise. Include any relevant certifications, awards, or past projects to demonstrate your credibility and experience. AI assistance. Use AI-powered writing assistants like Grammarly, Jasper, or ChatGPT to polish your bio and gig descriptions, ensuring they're error-free and engaging. 2. Create engaging gig descriptions. Write clear and concise gig descriptions that explain what you offer, the benefits clients will receive, and any additional information they need to know. Use relevant keywords to improve your gig's visibility in search results. Include a portfolio or samples of your work to give potential clients a taste of what they can expect from your services. AI assistance. Employ AI-driven keyword research tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to identify high-performing keywords for your gig descriptions. 3. Offer competitive pricing. Research your competition and price your services competitively. You can start with lower prices to attract clients and gradually increase them as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Consider offering package deals or discounts for bulk orders to incentivize clients to choose your services. AI assistance. Use AI-powered pricing tools like Price Intelligently to analyze your competition and determine the optimal pricing strategy for your gigs. Part 3. Tips for success on Fiverr. 1. Deliver high-quality work. Always strive to exceed your clients' expectations by delivering top-notch work. This will help you earn positive reviews and attract more clients. Continuously improve your skills and stay updated on industry trends to provide the best possible service. AI assistance. Utilize AI-enhanced project management tools like Trello or Asana to stay organized and ensure timely delivery of your work. Additionally, AI-powered proofreading tools like Grammarly can help you maintain high-quality output. 2. Manage your time effectively. Set realistic deadlines for your projects and stick to them. Use time management tools and techniques to stay organized and ensure you can deliver your work on time. If you're juggling multiple projects, prioritize them based on their deadlines and importance. AI assistance. AI-driven time management apps like RescueTime or Clockify can help you track your time and identify areas for improvement, ensuring you stay productive and meet deadlines. 3. Promote your gigs. Share your gigs on social media and relevant online communities to reach a wider audience. This can help you attract more clients and increase your earnings. Consider collaborating with other creators in your niche to cross-promote each other's services and grow your network. AI assistance. Use AI-powered social media management tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule and optimize your posts, ensuring maximum reach and engagement. 4. Collect and analyze feedback. Regularly gather feedback from your clients to identify areas for improvement and enhance your services. Use this feedback to refine your offerings and better meet your clients' needs. AI assistance. AI-driven sentiment analysis tools like MonkeyLearn or Brand24 can help you analyze client feedback and identify trends, allowing you to make data-driven decisions for your business. 5. Stay adaptable and keep learning. The freelance market is constantly evolving, and staying adaptable is crucial for success. Continuously learn new skills and stay updated on industry trends to remain competitive and offer valuable services to your clients. AI assistance. Leverage AI-powered learning platforms like Coursera or Udacity to access a wide range of courses and resources, helping you stay ahead in your field. That's it, folks. By exploring low-competition gigs on Fiverr and following our tips on how to get work, you'll be well on your way to making money online in 2023 and the years to come. Remember to stay consistent, deliver high-quality work, and always keep learning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Wisdom 101 for more financial tips and strategies. See you in the next video, family.